Welcome to Study Hacks. This is our new course for AutoCAD beginners. In this course, we'll try to discuss about AutoCAD basic knowledge. So today our first class about Introduction to AutoCAD and AutoCAD user interface. This class we discuss about what is CAD, what is AutoCAD, who are discovered AutoCAD software, why we are use AutoCAD for drafting, and discuss about AutoCAD user interface. So let's start. The first, what is CAD? The CAD is computer-aided drafting or drawing software, and AutoCAD is auto-computer-aided drafting or drawing software. This software discovered by John Walker at Autodesk Company in 1982. In this world, many drafting software are available, such as MiniCAD, JetCAD, MegaCAD, NanoCAD, LectaCAD, etc. Now here a question, why we are use AutoCAD for drafting? This question answer is AutoCAD is a common platform for all type of drawing, such as civil drawing, architectural drawing, electrical drawing, mechanical drawing, etc. And AutoCAD is fast and most user-friendly software for drawing. For this reason, we use AutoCAD. Now, we discuss about AutoCAD user interface. AutoCAD user interface. So let's start. This is AutoCAD home button. This is AutoCAD title bar, pull down menu bar, standard toolbar, workspace toolbar, layers toolbar, style toolbar, properties toolbar. This is dimension toolbar. This is draw toolbar. This is modify toolbar. This is UCS icon. UCS means user coordinate system icon. This is view cube, the direction of east west north south. This is layout bar. This is command promote area. This is task bar. For AutoCAD 2D drawing, at least 8 toolbar need. Our next video we discuss about this toolbar. So no more today. Thanks everyone for watching this video. For next video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for update notification. Thank you everyone.